Hey everyone, how you guys are doing? I hope you're having an amazing Friday because today is Friday. But I hope you're having an amazing day. So I am, or I actually already had this recording, so yay for that. So, because I always tend to forget. So, I am going to share my screen really fast. I promise, this is going to be a short presentation, but I hope you will enjoy this presentation. And I am going to get started. All right. So, this presentation is how a skincare routine can transform your skin, the importance of consistency and care. But before I go any further, I do want to introduce myself. My name is Lakeisha Simmons. Family and friends do call me Kiki, so you can call me Kiki if you like. Um, and I am a beauty consultant. All right. And so I enjoy what I do. Been doing it for 2 years. I do teach on the importance of having skincare health. That is a thing, believe it or not. All right. And so I love teaching. I do skincare classes. So I do online skincare classes as well as in-person skincare classes. And I also conduct facials as well as other services that I offer. And so now I'm just to hurry up and dive right into it. So do you feel your skin reflects your inner confidence? The secret to healthy, glowing skin lies in a consistent skincare routine. Agenda: why a routine matters, the science behind it, and a simple routine to follow. So those are the highlights of what we're going to touch on. All right. So why skincare matters. Key points here. So it protects against environmental damage, pollution, UV rays, it improves skin texture and tone, and it prevents premature aging and boosts self-confidence. So this picture on the left here, if you're looking, it is me, all right? And the reason why I wanted to show this picture is because if you can see the picture farthest to the left, that is a current picture of how my skin looks. All right. And the picture towards the right, that is an older picture. It is 6 years old. All right. So I was going through pictures on, believe it or not, on Facebook. I was going through older pictures of myself and I noticed a big difference in my skin. All right. I noticed a big difference. And if you can see, you probably can see it too. Um, Obviously your girl was dealing with acne, and I still do have acne issues. It hasn't gone nowhere, right? But it has minimized so much since then. All right. And so I was dealing with a lot of acne issues. I would have bumps all over my forehead. These bumps will leave scars. Um, and that's honestly that's what I was dealing with back then. All right. And I didn't put that much thought into it. I honestly did. I didn't put that much thought into as far as, noticing that how things have changed with my skin. So it has gotten completely better since I have started a skincare routine. All right. And I just wanted to point that out. All right. So the science of skin. Key points here. Skin is the body's largest organ. If you didn't know that, you learned that today. It rejuvenates every 28 days. All right. So we get new skin every 28 days. So daily care maintains the skin's barrier and hydration, right? Daily care maintains the skin barrier and hydration. So this diagram that you see on the left-hand side is layers of the skin. All right. So we have epidermis, a dermis, a hypodermis. We have blood vessels. We have hair follicles. We have sweat glands. We have fibroblasts. We have lymphatic vessels, and we have adipose tissue. Ep, adipose, ed, adipose tissue. Yeah, my pronunciation. It. I ain't gonna lie. I have a hard time pronouncing things, and I own it. Right. But moving forward, so the next slide is steps in a simple skincare routine. So I did provide some steps so to kind of get you familiar with the steps of application order when you do start a skincare routine. Okay, and it is really simple. It's not that complicated once you get started. So consistency over complexity. That's the key right there. Steps are cleanse. So you do need to cleanse to remove the dirt and oils from morning, and you need to do it at night. All right. You need to exfoliate one, no more than 2 times per week to remove dead skin cells. All right. You need to moisturize, hydrate, and protect your skin barrier. All right. So you need to also protect using SPF daily to prevent sun damage. You don't want to get sun damage. All right. So it is important to make sure you are using SPF, protecting your skin from the sun. All right. That is super duper important. Okay. And then the picture towards the left is just a time wise and a ultimate miracle set with boosters. Basically, it's an order of application if you're using those products, which it states right here, like if you're looking in where it says morning, and then you also see one where it says evening. It just says the cleanser is first, the C plus preservative lime reducer, and then the HA plus ceramide hydrator. Then the time wise moisturizer, then the Time Rise Daytime Defender SPF 30, and then last will be the Time Wise Eye Cream. All right, that's just in the morning, all right? And then the evening is almost pretty much the same steps, which is the cleanser, then it's the eye cream instead. And instead of using it last, you'll be using it as second. Then the C plus reservator, line reducer, then the HA plus ceramide hydrator, then the Time Wise nighttime recovery, and then the Time Wise antioxidant moisturizer. So you won't be using SPF at night. You only need to use SPF in the morning because in the morning usually that's when you step outside and you know that's when your skin is getting exposed to the sun. But at nighttime, your skin don't get exposed to the sun, so you don't have to worry about using SPF at night. All right. So I just want to make that statement right there. Okay, so common skincare mistakes. Okay, so what to avoid? Skipping SPF. You do not want to skip SPF. Over exfoliating. We can't, there is a thing to over exfoliate. That's the reason why I say only no more than once or no more than 2 times per week. All right, so you can do it 1 time or you can do it 2 times per week, but I wouldn't do it no more than those that many times a week. Okay, like I said, there is a such a thing as over exfoliating. Some people love to do it 4 days, 5 days, 7 days out of a week. That's a no-no. You should not be exfoliating those many times per week. All right. Using the wrong products for your skin type. That's also a thing, meaning that sometimes you may pick up the wrong products and that's not geared towards your skin type. Okay. And what I mean by that is everyone does have a certain skin type. You dry, either you oily, either you're a combination, meaning that you deal with dryness and oiliness. Also, you can be sensitive. All right. And so you have to pick products knowing what skin type you are. Like you need to know that. You need to know what type of skin you have. All right. Not removing makeup before bed. Okay. That's also something that you should definitely avoid. You want to make sure that you always remove your makeup because um, makeup can cause aging, age, aging in your skin really fast, way before time if you're not removing your makeup before you go to bed. All right. And over here towards the left is just some do's and don'ts. I won't kind of go over it since I am kind of speeding through this. Uh, this slide here is basically about personalizing your routine. You definitely want to start thinking about personalizing your routine. The key points here is assess your skin type. I just kind of went over this: oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. Choosing the target products: anti-aging, acne, whitening, and brightening. Adjust for seasons, so lighter in the summer, richer in the winter. All right, meaning that you need to think more about moisturizing your skin towards the winter time. During the summertime, you need to think lighter. Like you don't have to moisturize as much. You still need to moisturize, but you don't have to, pack it on as much. If that makes sense. All right, and so I can help you select the right products for your needs. So definitely keep that in mind that I am here for you if you're uncertain about the type of products, if you feel like there's you having a hard time finding products that's personalized for you, then definitely reach out to me. All right, moving forward. So here are some Mary Kay products to consider. All right. So here's some key recommendations. Cleanser, time-wise, the 4-in-1 cleanser, that's a recommendation. Exfoliator, which would be the Mary Kay okay, I'm talking too fast, sorry. The microdermabrasion refine. The moisturizer, so that would be the intense moisturizing cream, or you can use the oil free hydrating gel. All right. For SPF, you can use the Mary Kay sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 50. Over here towards the right hand side, this is the micro dermabrasion set. Over here is the time-wise miracle set application here. So it just kind of giving you the order of application, but this is the 4-in-1 cleanser, that's the moisturizer, that's the SPF day defender, and the night um, recovery. All right, so on this slide here is I'm showing you real results because I believe in being very transparent here. The picture towards the left is me, of course, and I'm basically showing you a blemish that popped up on my face and when I looked in the mirror one morning. All right, and I saw this on my face, and I was like, "What the heck? What is that?" And so, of course, that same day, I did go to Wally World with my mom. We went looking for products for my face, which we did. I did buy the products. I brought two particular products that the employee at Walmart suggested. I went home, used it. Guess what? Those products didn't even help. Period. It didn't help. So I after that, then I realized I have products that I didn't have to go buy. I have products that are Mary Kay products. I could have just used those products. Like, what was I thinking? So I went ahead and decided to use the Clear Proof toner, and believe it or not, that blemish went away within I'm gonna say a day and a half, but I'm just gonna say 2 days tops. It was gone. It was completely gone. My face was back to normal, and I was glad. So that's true story. The picture, the picture on the right, basically this lady, her name is Susan. She's 58 years old, or she was 58 years old at the time of this photo. Okay, and she had used the guys, glycolic acid peel 8 times. She used it 8 times, and you can tell. Can you tell? Basically, can you tell which one is the before and which one is the after? And if I have to guess, I'm going to say this picture right here. Oops, was not trying to do that. Sorry. This picture right here towards the left hand side is the before, and the picture over here to the right is the after. And you can see the big difference in her neck if you're not looking, her neck area. She has less lines on the photo on the right hand side. The photo on the left, you can definitely see the lines and basically her wrinkles. So this facial peel definitely gave her results. All right. So these are real results, y'all. Okay. So skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Okay. It affects your appearance. So sometimes, like if anything that's on your face, best believe it's going to affect your appearance because you're going to feel insecure about yourself when you go out places. I mean, we all do that. Moving forward. So ready to transform your skin. So are you ready to book your skincare consultation with me? You are invited to join my Facebook group, Empower Enhanced Circle, for tips. If you need tips or if you just need my guide, I am here for you. So I do have a VIP group community. I always invite people to it. But that's also if you have a Facebook account, then you are welcome to join that community. Also, you can visit my website or email me, and my email is right here. Please take a screenshot of this whole slide if you need to, so you can get my email information. You can always email me. I will respond if you have questions or concerns. All right, or if you need my website. All right. Thank you so much. I apologize that I really rushed through this, but I really wanted to do this for y'all. If you have questions about anything, do not hesitate to reach out to me at all, period. I will go ahead and provide my telephone number. I don't have it on the slide, but I will just say it out loud. Okay, so it is area code 918-900-5530. All right. And so definitely reach out to me, text me on that number if you need to, if you just have questions, if you want to book a consultation appointment, if you have questions about skincare, I am here for you. Okay. I promise you I'm here for you. All right. And then I just want to say thank you. Your skin is your best accessory, so take care of it. Transparency in beauty and beyond. Okay, so transparency in beauty and beyond. All right, that's my slogan. All right, that's my slogan. That's what I believe. Transparency in beauty and beyond. All right. So have a blessed evening or blessed morning, whatever the time zone it is when you're watching this. All right, if it's morning, have a blessed morning. If it's evening, have a blessed evening. I love you guys. Bye.